Sambal Ayam or chicken sambal. Very easy, simple ingredients. If you don't have tamarind, just use lemon juice. As you can see, the oil is separated. Add a little bit of water. Let it cook, let it bubble before adding the raw chicken. If you wish, you could fry the chicken first with turmeric, but as you know, my recipes are based on my laziness, so why give myself extra work? Add some sweet soy sauce and a little bit of sugar. Et voila, quick and simple chicken sambal. Bon appetit! So good. Just spicy enough. For me, I could make it a little bit more spicy, but this is good. It's really good. It's just perfect. Scrumptious moist chicken.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!